we have come to example 12, finding exact values. So let's see our question here. Given cos A is equal to 4 over 5, where your A is between 0 and pi over 2. So let's straight away graph this. If your A is between 0 and pi over 2, therefore, now you are in quadrant 1. So be careful. In quadrant 1, all sign will be positive. So let's graph a triangle here. So now this is your A with cos 4 over 5. Let us write cos A. It is adjacent over hypotenuse, 4 over 5. Therefore, the opposite sign will be 3. So from here, apart from cos A equal to 4 over 5, we can take out sine A. Sine A now is 3 over 5. And we can get tangent A. Tangent A is now 3 over 4. So you can see that all of the value here is positive because now you are in the first quadrant. All value will be positive. Now let's move on to sine B. Sine B is equal to 5 over 13. And it's mentioned here that B is between pi over 2 and pi. So let's straight away graph this. Between pi over 2 and pi, therefore you are now in second quadrant. Be careful. In second quadrant, S here is positive, meaning that sine and also cosecant theta is positive. Other than that, it is negative. So let's fill in the value of your B. Sine B will be 5 over 13. So opposite over hypotenuse will be 5 over 13. Therefore, using Pythagorean theorem, your adjacent will be 12. So you can write 12 here to be minus because you know this is the value for minus x. Okay, so now let us give out the value of whatever given. Sine B originally is 5 over 13. So this is positive. This is correct because this is sine's house. Now let's see for cos. Cos B will be adjacent over hypotenuse. So it is negative 12 over 13. You can also give out the value of tangent B. Tangent B is opposite over adjacent. So it is negative 5 over 12. So when we have this value ready, this will make it easier for us to calculate the question after this. So let's see question A. It asks us for sine A, so straight away we can get the answer here, which is 3 over 5. Alternatively, we can also use our trigo identities, sine square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So we can rearrange to get sine A from here. It is square root 1 minus cos square A. So just fill in the value of cos A here and square it. And just use your calculator, we can get the answer the same. It is 3 over 5. Now let's see question B. It asks us for sine A minus B. So we can open up using the formula sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So from what we have calculated just now, just fill in the values here and then just use your calculator. You can get the answer here. The next question asks us for cos A plus B. So again, we can open up using the formula, substitute the value here, and then just use calculator. This is our answer. And finally, the question asks us for tangent A minus B. So just open up using the formula, substitute all of the value. Okay, be careful with plus and minus sign. And then we can get our answer 7 over 4.